Check, 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 check. 1, 2. Trying to get us some sound, whānau. I'm not sure why. Sound is definitely working there. Why are we getting no sound? Oh, there we are. Right, hopefully we're coming through nice and clearly, whānau. So we've had to drop over to YouTube because Facebook is playing up, Facebook Live. So apologies. Been pulling what little hair out I do have left, trying to figure it out. So we're into the second half, and as you can see, Hikurangi 17-0, the women lead over Ruatoria City. We've got the men's game coming up at 2 o'clock, possibly on our YouTube channel as well. Safely into touch. Apologies for the late start, whānau. Just City spin it out wide. Little chip coming. It's been picked up by Hiku though. Turnover ball here. They set it up just outside City's 10-metre line. Nice fend there from Kimi Parata. Was that Kimi Parata? Hard to tell in the mud. Little knock on in there. Yeah, apologies for the technical issues, whānau. Out of my control. As I said, I've been pulling my hair out up here, trying to get it going. We managed to figure out that the issues are with Facebook Live. So we've now switched to our YouTube page. An issue with Facebook Live, thankfully. We have YouTube to fall back on. Ball put in there by Higgins. Gives it back to Goldsmith. Good run here by one of the clean players on the park for City. Oh, off the face there, not expecting it. Pass came a bit too quickly. Turnover ball here for Hikurangi. About 6 or 7 outside the 22. Another good run here. Into the 22 now, Hikurangi. Another pick and go. Line is open here. I think that's Kahaki. Popular try there. Let's take a look at the replay. You can see her there. Well, she got the ball outside the 22. That'll extend the lead out. 22-0. Hikurangi putting on a strong display here. We've got an injured player down, whānau. There will be a stoppage here before we can have the conversion attempt. It could also be coming close to full time. And the ladies, they've certainly cut the field up for the men. The men will be out there this afternoon. There won't be many clean spots out there. Yeah, just waiting for it. We have a injured player down. Some concern being shown for the injured player. 22-0. If you've just joined us via our live feed. As I said, apologies. We've been working hard behind the scenes to get the streams up and running. As we are still waiting for this injured player. Unfortunately, a little bit of a stoppage. Hopefully it's not too serious. You can see them showing a bit of concern down there though. Yeah, the games are around the Rohe. Of course, Waiapu hosting Hicks Bay. I'm not sure if Waima Women were hosting TVC Women. That could be another game. The men, of course, Waima TVC down there at Hātearangi Domain, and across there at George Napier Memorial Park is Hicks Bay taking on Waiapu. So thankfully, the injured player is back to her feet. We will resume with the shot at goal conversion attempt. Or has the conversion attempt already been taken? Must have already been taken. I'm not sure if that went over, if it was already taken. It missed. Okay, score remains 22-0. Sorry, whānau. I didn't even see that conversion get taken. About to get back underway here. Referee Mr. Matty Richards. He's even getting a bit of mud on him. Heavy track out there, whānau. These ladies will start to feel it as we get towards the latter stages of this game. Carrying all that extra mud on you. Straight to the defender who puts the boot to it, sends it back out on the full though. It'll be a city line out about 12 metres inside Hikurangi territory. Right across on that far side of the park. I think we'll be switching to our YouTube channel again for the main game this afternoon, or the men's game. Bit of a mud wrestle everywhere on the field, around the field. Be a few vehicles needing to be pushed out today. Line out. City ball. Picked up here by Hikurangi though. Off the front of the line out. They bring it up over the halfway. Taken down 6 metres inside city territory. Quick pick and go here. Referee's got a penalty. Player a little bit isolated. Quick tap and go here from City. They might have caught him offside. No, they're back on side now. New player on the park wearing number 16, is it? Might have been a knock on in there. Missed by the referee. Play on. City up towards Hikurangi's 10-metre line now. They keep it coming through the backs. Little kick over the top here from Goldsmith. Hikurangi bring it back. Up towards their own 10-metre line now. They keep coming down this near sideline. Nice, good run here up to the halfway. Supports there quickly. Another pick and go down the blind side. Hikurangi forwards keeping it in close. They send it out wide now. Out to the first receiver anyway. Big run here. Might have been a little knock on. Referee says yes. Playing advantage. No advantage there for City. Oh, penalty. No, scrum. Scrum down about that 5 meters outside City's 10-meter line. 22-0. If you've just joined us now, delayed start to our coverage. As I said, we apologise. A few people messaging me, probably wondering why I'm not answering. It's because I was scrambling, trying to get the live feed working. I think hopefully Maria is back at the studio and has switched everything over to the radio. Out now to Goldsmith. She gives it up to, I think that's, no, I won't guess who that is. City playing with it outside their 22 though. They send it right out to the winger. It's on the ground. Hikurangi defence there quickly. Referee's playing advantage here. It might have been the player on the ground. Can't dive on a player when they're lying on the ground. That's exactly what it was for. The City penalty just a couple of meters outside their 22. Looks like Goldsmith will kick for touch. Safely into touch. This one here, 3 meters outside their 10-meter line on their far side of the field. Might be 4 meters. Must be winding down to the last plays, whānau. These ladies giving it their all in trying conditions. Seen some good tries though. Couple of ladies out there, you can see her just trying to get through this game. It was taken at the front there by Mangu, I think that was. City just inside their halfway line, on their own side of halfway I should say. They set it up. It's there for Higgins. Higgins up to Goldsmith. Goldsmith puts the little chip over the top again. Scramble there. Hikurangi come up with it. Narimu going for a run. Gets taken down 6 meters inside City territory. Halfback there looking for the ball. Hikurangi working it up just shy of City's 10-meter line now. Big numbers out wide if they should send it. Hikurangi, look at the overlap out there. Now they go. No, they don't. They keep it in close again. Still got that overlap. They keep picking it going from the base of the ruck though. Midway 10-meter 22. Now they go. Now they send it. Little kick out. Oh, kicked a bit early, I think. Chasers are there though for Hikurangi. It's out the back. Play on, says the referee. Scrambling play here. Little knock on. Advantage here for Hikurangi. No advantage, says Mr. Richards. We will have a scrum. Just inside City's 22, by about 5 meters. Cross on that far side of the park. Attacking scrum here for Hikurangi. Scrum down. Hikurangi scrum feed. Oh, it's been, no, it's uncontested scrum, so you can't go for the tight head. Referee resets the scrum. At the back here, they go blind. Good run here from the number 8. They come around behind the post. And we can catch it on the replay there. Shrugged off a couple of tackles. Round behind the post. That'll take the lead out to 27. 27-0 with the kick to come, which could be the final act of the game. Right out in front of the post. Oh no, there could be still time to go. And Hikurangi look like they're going back to get into position. Right out in front of the post here. Successful conversion there. Must be still time to go. The referee will bring us all back to halfway. City about to get us back underway again. They send it deep. Picked up here. Wow, good run here from the Hikurangi forward. Over the halfway. Strong return here. Takes it down 12 meters inside city territory. Referee's got a penalty though. Just a little bit isolated. Quick tap taken here by City. They give the ball away. Gone backwards though. Referee says play on. Looked like a around the neck shot there, but play on. Goldsmith straightens it up. It's there for the halfback. They come back to the near side. City got advantage here. Referees might be a deliberate knockdown, I think is the call. Referee will say no advantage. Or was it a high shot? High tackle might have been. There'll be somebody out there asking why we're on YouTube and not on Facebook Live. It's because there is an issue with Facebook Live today. Can't even go live off our phone. We've switched over to our YouTube page. Line out here. 8 meters inside Hikurangi territory on this near side of the park. Short line out called. They go high at the front. Little knock on in there though. BA Hikurangi, no, that's full time, says the referee. Hikurangi, strong performance, come out on top 29-0 over Ruatoria CITY. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Pro. Apologies for the technical issues we had with the first half. We have those sorted now, and we'll be right for the men's game. Ka pai. Thank you, everybody. We'll be back at 5 to 2 with the men's game on our YouTube channel.